Okay. We're gonna have to do something different. Needs a wipe down, and I think we'll be good. Brake light works. Don't need to do anything with that. And after the wipe down, it's going to get sound deadening mat put on it. A little mix of super clean and water. It's barely purple. Just enough to help lift the grease if there is any off. A little bit of foam breakup, but that's fine. We're going to be putting mat down anyway. Ow. There is a clip there which I gotta pop out. I mean, you've got a little bit there and a little bit there. That's not enough for my stereo. Let's let that dry and I'll go grab the sound deadening mat. So here's one piece that was cut from another sheet that I think will do nicely in the middle, and then I'll come back and trim around over there and on that side. Maybe overlap in the middle, make it a little bit heavier just so that it doesn't vibrate. We got to cut out though. We need to trim it to fit on the inside of this lip here all the way across, and then cut out a square back there. There's a clip that holds the brake light wire down. That needs to be cut out around it, so we can remove that later if needed. See if I can set this up somehow. Let's see, how far back does that need to go? Needs to be quite a bit of it, so I think I'm just, where does it go? It goes from here across. Just like that, and then need to follow along this edge. Hopefully you can see all right. This backing off. all done.